Dear students, now in third part, again the two equations are given to you, but they are not written in the standard form. Standard form means the x should be at left hand side, y should be at left hand side, and the constant should be at right hand side. So we will write it in proper standard form. What do you get? We'll get 3x minus 5y is equal to this minus 4. When goes to right hand side, it will become plus 4. Now it is written in standard form. Now same with the second equation. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So we'll take 2y to left hand side along with x. Because in particularly elimination method, we need both the terms at left hand side. Means the pattern of two equations must be same. So 9x, then plus 2y comes to left hand side, becomes minus 2y and is equal to plus 7. So in this way, you'll get the two equations. Now dear students, follow the same method. Either eliminate x or y. It is all your wish. Just go with the method. If I want to eliminate y, then cross multiply first equation by 2 and second by 5. No need to take the sign, students. Do not get confused. Do not multiply by minus 2 and minus 5. Signs will be adjusted in the next step. Okay? So just multiply them and get the answer. So dear students, 2 3s are 6, minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 2 4s are 8, 5 9s are 45x, minus 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Solve it. You'll get the value of x by converting them into simplest form, 9 by 13. Now either put the value of x in equation 1 or 2. This time I have put the equation in value in equation 2. So that you can see there is no difference. You will get the same answer by using both the equations. So 9 into x is 9 by 13. 81 by 13 goes to right hand side, become minus 81 by 13. Take the LCM. Now be very careful at this step. Minus 2 into y. Sometimes you will write minus 2 and when you take it to right hand side you will write plus 2. Dear students, remember minus 2 is getting multiplied by y. So if it is getting multiplied, when it goes to the right hand side it will get divided. So 2 5s are 10. The minus will be shifted to the numerator. You will get minus 5 by 13. So in this way you will get the answer to this question also. Dear students, now in fourth part, as you can see, the equations are given to us in fraction form. You know how to convert them in. How we can remove it? By taking the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3x, plus 3 2s are 2 2s are 4y is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply, you will get first equation as 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. This will be your first equation. Similarly, you can solve the second equation. Take LCM 3. Here nothing is there. That means 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 into x 3x minus y is equal to 3. So the second equation will become 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. Right? So 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So in this way you'll get the second equation. Now as you can see, in this equation the coefficient of x is already same. Dear students, no need to do any kind of cross multiplication if the coefficient is already same. So but their sign is same, so we will subtract them. We will subtract them by changing the signs of the second equation at every step. Right? So they will cancel out. Both are plus. 4 plus 1 is 5y is equal to minus minus plus, but the sign is minus. 15, so y is equal to minus 15 by 5, y is equal to minus 3. Dear students, put this value in any of the equation. So put in equation 2, let us put it in equation 2. The second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 9. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. So 3x minus y. One minus is already there in the question and one is there with the value of y. Minus 3, so put the bracket. So 3y plus 3 is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 3 is 2. So dear students, in this way you can solve the whole equation. And and remember, the easiest method among all the 4 methods of solving 2 equations is elimination method. This is the third method of solving 2 pairs of linear equations.